Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with our next project for the next Ustream class. It is a home decor piece. This is my version of a digital frame for the scrapbooker. This is a canvas, a 12 by 12 canvas, and a digital frame for all of those who own one, that have one on their side table or their coffee table. It goes through picture after picture after picture, right? So this is a picture frame. If you have one picture frame, you can only keep one photograph. However, with this picture frame right here, and it's going to stand up on your coffee table or end table just like a picture frame, it's going to allow you to flip through photographs over and over. Check that out. How fun is that, guys? This is our next Ustream project, guys. So it's bound together with some rings on the canvas, and I decorated the canvas with this beautiful ribbon. I did this one in a wedding version because this one's going to be to house photos for my wedding. And of course I'm going with the black and white theme. I kept it pretty simple, guys. I just did one simple little flower embellishment here. I'm definitely going to add some more embellishments, like some charms and, you know, all the cute little dangly things, but I'm going to do that once I put the photographs, because all of my embellishments are going to go over my photographs. So this is pretty much the gist of it, guys. It is the digital frame for a scrapbooker. This is your home decor piece, guys. So it's going to stand up like this, like a frame on your coffee table. I know this is a bizarre angle, but just like this, and whoever is visiting your home or yourself, you can flip through your photographs just like this. And it's just adorable. It's completely finished on the back. Something fresh, something different for you all, guys. I hope you like it. So this is our next Ustream class. However, it is not going to be wedding. It's going to be a baby version of this. I had a baby class scheduled a few months ago, and it was called the Bundle of Joy, that I was going to do a diaper bag and all this other stuff, but I canceled that. I'm not going to go with that. It's been done, so I'm going to do something a little bit different, and this is the ensemble we're going to put together for the baby Bundle of Joy class, guys. Okay, so this is it, guys. The scrapbooker's version of a digital frame. However, we're going to take it a step further, my friends. For that class, we're going to use these acrylic frames, a really large one, 8.5 by 11, or perhaps a landscape one. This one I found at my local dollar store. This is a teeny tiny one, but I just wanted to show you a smaller version of what we're going to use. We're going to use this acrylic frame, excuse me, and we're going to do this this project on this acrylic frame, guys. So it's going to look fantastic, and remember, it's going to be a baby theme. So be sure to check out my blog, which is www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com, and on my blog you will find my Ustream channel and my schedule for all my classes, guys. So be sure you check it out. So here it is, digital frame for the scrapbooker. No longer have to limit yourself to one picture. You can house as many pictures as you want, guys. So here it is. Thank you so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Until next time.